This is Project Mr. Big Stuff, an E.C.D Custom Defender 110, built to our client's exact specification. Mr. Big Stuff is painted in eggshell British racing green with black accents. Mr. Big Stuff sits on 16-inch sawtooth wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features an ARB front bumper with worn winch, panoramic rear window glass, and an LED round spot lamp at the rear. Inside, Mr. Big Stuff features a Momo Indy steering wheel with classic gauges, 2 Corbeau Trailcat heated and cooled front and mid-row seats, with 2 benches in the load area. The seating is engineered to allow extra legroom in all areas of the vehicle. Each seat is finished in a horizontal Garrett Torino Lager and Torino Caviar leather, stitched together in brown and black. Mr. Big Stuff is powered by our GM LS3 V8 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern elements such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, and access to USB ports throughout.